how to properly warm up before hitting the gym. This step is often underestimated, but it can make a world of difference in your workout performance and injury prevention. So, let's get started. First, subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 1. Why warm-up matters. Okay, first things first. Why does warming up matter? Think of your muscles and joints as rubber bands. When they're cold, they're stiff and more likely to snap. But when they're warm, they're flexible and can stretch without harm. That's exactly what a good warm-up does. It gets your muscles and joints ready for action. Number 2. Start with light cardio. A fantastic way to kick off your warm-up is with some light cardio. You can hop on a treadmill, stationary bike, or even just jog in place. The goal here is simple. Get your heart rate up and your blood flowing to your muscles. Spend about 5-10 minutes doing this to break a sweat. Number 3. Joint mobility exercises. Now, let's focus on joint mobility. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential for injury prevention and overall flexibility. Start with gentle joint movements, arm circles, leg swings, and neck rolls. These help lubricate your joints and improve their range of motion. Number 4. Dynamic stretching. Next up, dynamic stretching. Unlike static stretching, where you hold a stretch, dynamic stretches involve movement. They're perfect for a pre-workout warm-up. Think of things like leg swings, high knees, or walking lunges. These stretches improve flexibility and get your muscles ready for action. Number 5. Muscle activation. Depending on your workout plan, you might want to activate specific muscle groups. For example, if it's leg day, do some body weight squats. If it's upper body, try push-ups or band pull-aparts. This helps prime those muscles for your upcoming workout. Number 6. Gradually increase intensity. As you warm up, gradually increase the intensity. You can up the speed or resistance on your cardio machine or do more dynamic stretches with larger movements. The idea here is to mimic the movements you'll do during your actual workout. This helps your body transition smoothly. Number 7. Listen to your body. A critical tip: always listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, or you notice any discomfort or pain during your warm-up, stop immediately. Your warm-up should never be painful. It's about preparing, not pushing your limits. Number 8. How long to warm up? You might be wondering, how long should I warm up? Good question. A rule of thumb is about 5-10 minutes for light cardio and joint mobility exercises, and another 5-10 minutes for dynamic stretching and muscle activation. Your total warm-up time can vary based on your fitness level and the intensity of your workout. Number 9. Sample warm-up routine. Let's put it all together with a sample warm-up routine you can follow. 1. Light cardio, 5-10 minutes. Treadmill, bike, or jumping jacks. 2. Joint mobility, 2 to 3 minutes. Arm circles, leg swings, neck rolls. 3. Dynamic stretches, 3-5 minutes. Leg swings, high knees, walking lunges. 4. Muscle activation, 2 to 3 minutes. Bodyweight squats, push-ups, or band exercises. 5. Gradual intensity increase, 2 to 3 minutes. Increase the intensity of cardio or dynamic stretches. So, there you have it, your ultimate gym warm-up guide. Remember, warming up is not just a formality. It's a crucial step in your fitness journey. Incorporate these simple steps into your routine, and you'll be primed and ready to crush your workouts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.